Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to write a high scoring APSC mains answer using a very common topic from GS1, that is Indus Valley Civilization. This video is extremely useful for beginners and repeat aspirants because I will show you how to frame the answer, how to structure it, such as introduction, body and conclusion, and how to write it within 150 to 200 words, exactly as required in the exam. First, let us look at how the question can be framed in APSC mains. Question is, discuss the salient features of the Indus Valley Civilization. Now, remember, whenever you see a question like this, you must break it into introduction, body with headings, and conclusion. Start with a very short introduction, not more than 2 lines. You can write, the Indus Valley Civilization dating from 2500 BCE to 1700 BCE was one of the earliest urban civilization, known for its advanced town planning, organized economy, and distinct cultural features. That's enough. No long story. No unnecessary date. Now, give a body heading. Features of the Indus Valley Civilization. Now, give heading with subheadings. First, urban planning. Write points like cities were divided into citadel, possibly resided by the ruling class. Lower town, resided by the common people. Streets were laid in grid pattern with intersecting roads and straight lanes. One important things, do not explain too much. Write crisp points. Second heading, drainage system. Mention about highly sophisticated underground drainage system. Household waste water flowed into street drains. Next heading, domestic architecture. Most houses had a central courtyard, rooms built around it, private wells, bathrooms and drains. Buildings were made of burned bricks, which were uniform in size and shape, a key feature across all major sites. Next, public structure. Write about Great Bath at Mohenjo-daro, possibly a ritual bathing site. Granaries at Harappa, used for storing surplus grains. Next heading, craft production. Write, Harappan were specialized in production of beads, seals, ornaments, pottery, and tools. Here you can give example like Sanhudaru is famous for craft production. Kalibangan is famous for Bengal and ornaments production. Inserting example will make your answer more attractive. Right, next point. Materials included stones, shells, steatite, metals like copper, bronze, and semi-precious stones like lapis lazuli. Mention about the bronze dancing girl as an example of artistic excellence. Also, you can mention that Harappan were not known to use of iron. Next, trade and economy. Write use of standard weights and measures. Evidence of long distance trade with Mesopotamia. Use of bullock cart. Use of boat and dockyard for trade and commerce. Use of barter system. These are high value keywords for examiners like Mesopotamia, bullock cart, boat, dockyard, and barter system. Always mark this keyword with an underline. Next heading, agriculture. Write about cultivation of wheat, barley, pulses, and cotton. Harappan were the first to grow cotton. Evidence of plough field at Kalibangan. Cultivation of rice found at Lothal and Rangpur. Next, script and seals. Write points like Harappan script remains undeciphered. It's a pictographic script. Pictographic means use of image and symbols. Seals has animal motif and short inscription, likely used for trade and identification. Next heading, religion and beliefs. Write, no evidence of temple found. They worshipped nature, animals, fellas, and yoni. Example, worship of tree. Worship of animal like one-horn unicorn bull. Figures resembling a proto-Shiva or Pasupati and mother goddesses were worshipped. They might believe in ghosts or evil powers and used amulets for protection. Next, burial practices. Right, graves and cemeteries shows variety in burial customs, with pottery, ornaments, and personal items placed with the body. Some graves have expensive and rare goods, indicating social stratification or differentiation. Next heading, you can especially mention about pottery. Write well-made and well-fired pottery. Black on red were a distinct pottery tradition. Example, jar, bowls, vessel designed with tree and animals. Keep it factual, no assumption, and don't blunder. Finally, end with a 1 or 2 line conclusion. Here, I will tell you the trick to write a good conclusion. Trick is that you write 2 lines from the answer you have written above. You can write, thus the Indus Valley civilization represented a highly organized and culturally rich urban society. I know this is lengthy for 10-mark question, but can be used for 15 marks questions. If you not able to write all the 11 points, but if you write at least 5 to 6 points, your answer would be good enough to score high marks. Now, very important exam tips. Always use heading and subheading. Write in points, not paragraphs. Add site names like Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Lothal. Use examples. Even a small diagram of city planning can give you extra marks. I hope you found this informative. I will come back with another question of Indus Valley civilization in the next video. Thank you for watching.